Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since we had some Evo content. Well, I guess not really, since we just went to WeekFest and got the whole car detailed, and then also got that little award at WeekFest, which was pretty sweet. But today, what we're gonna work on is see these bumper quick releases. These are old and outdated, and I want to install the button ones, and I actually do have a set. I don't know if they're inside the garage or not. Eric's here with me as well, so he's gonna help me out here, but I need to cut the zip tie there, maybe get some tools, and then we'll see what happens.
Putting these on, right?
How am I installing? Oh, just the spare. Yes. Yeah, I don't know where they are. I'll check everything. Maybe they're in these bags. So as you can see, we have the JDC 8.9 bumper quick releases. You see the plates there, so they're going to bolt on to probably somewhere around here inside the, so not on the fender, but like kind of where the bumper sits. And then we just install the posts, and then hopefully it should just be pretty easy. And then we'll probably use the same holes that are already drilled in the bumper since they're already there. So we'll tear this open and take a look at it. Alrighty, so the reason we're replacing it is because these are pretty shot. You can see how cracked they are, and that's probably going to go soon. And the other one already did break, so we've been using zip ties. Had to cut that one to get the bumper off, so we have the bumper off now. It was super easy. It's just the two 10 mils, and then since we have quick release, right? So now we've got these carbon fiber little pieces right here. Look at that, looks good in the sun. And the posts, you push the button, and then they come out of the post. And that just attaches to one of these, and we bolted in with all the hardware, so super nice. I'm wondering where we're gonna put those little carbon pieces though. I think maybe right here. Oh, it's super easy install then. They go on like this. I'll show you here. See, they match up with the holes right there perfectly, and then the peg just goes in the bottom hole facing this way so that you can actually attach it to the thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this. Alrighty, so I've gotten both sides installed. They're actually really easy to install. You just take out the two bolts that were there and put in the new ones, of course. I'm gonna test with the bumper now and just put it in and see where they line up with the holes. We also have old ones, so there's gonna be a hole in the fender, there's gonna be a hole in the bumper if they don't line up perfectly, but this one's definitely gonna be there. So unfortunately, looks like we might have to get some carbon fenders soon. Well, we've marked the holes, so we're going to use this drill bit, the one that is exactly the same size as the back of the button there. And then we're going to make a nice little hole there, and on the other side right there, and we should be good to go. We'll try it out. Alright, so one of my brake light bulbs kind of burnt out, so I'm just going to go to AutoZone and get it replaced. I will show you guys the bumper in 1 second here. I just need to grab this bulb. It is all done, by the way. It looks really good. Package secured. Just kidding, I actually got bulbs. So we'll replace both of them just because they're probably due anyway, and then that way I know they're both exactly the same. So yeah, that's nice. All right, we're back. So I've gotten these in now, super nice, except for we do have holes. Don't worry, this bumper is pretty screwed up already. It's got fiberglass, like a fiberglass fix on this side, so it's actually all cracked up and stuff. So I don't mind drilling into it again. It works really nicely. You just right here, push the button, release it, and then if I can get the bumper back in. Oh man, I'm having troubles. One-handed usage. There it is, right there. It does not come out, so that's super nice. And then I just got the two tails replaced there, the brake lights, and Eric just did his fog light. I'm gonna see here if these actually work, because I have not tested that yet. This one was already working. I just replaced this bulb anyway, just cause. So yep, bright, and that one's bright as well, so that's super nice. And then can you just turn on the regular lights? Yep, and now we got all of our bulbs working, so that's super nice. All right, check it out. We got some Evos in the shop today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Evos out here today. We are actually getting ready for Wali to come through, tuned by Wali, and we have a nice welcoming gift of all of these Evos. And then there's this brand new 2022 WRX that just got a little STI wing installed on the back, and I'm not sure how I feel about this because it makes it look like a Civic Type R. Don't it? Don't it? Kind of does, huh? But yeah, we got all the cars stacked. We got to get this Evo out so we can get this thing tuned. This thing was built in what? 2-3 days?
We had the motor out on Tuesday, and then
Back in on Thursday.
Yeah, back in on Thursday, and getting tuned today on Friday.
So yeah, 2-day build here. Look at that. Is this a Varus or a Voltex front end? I don't know. Can't tell. But Varus. Okay. So we're looking at some gnarly things. Charge speed fenders. Yeah, it's looking good. We're having a good time. I might see if he can tune my Evo as well, just to make it a little more economical for the daily driver.
Yeah. This place actually looks pretty cool too. It's like a warehouse.
Oh, he missed.
Bro, let's go get some Jamba Juice.
Oh, Tails car. Alright, so this is the one that needs for sure the tune. I think Brandon might be getting his diagnosed and stuff, but we have lined up all of Elevated Motorsports boys right here. Super fire. We've got this RS6 Avant looking clean as hell. Look at how thick those fenders are. Full tint on this bitch. Look at that carbon fiber. Ooh. Ooh, it looks so good. I really want one of these in my life. One day. But yeah, still got the Cappuccino here, and then those are the other cars. But cleaned up the shop quite a bit here, and Tony's just working on finishing touches on this Mustang, and then we're pretty much ready to go. Yo, the man, the myth, the legend.
Hopefully not. Oh, it's like out of gas?
It needs gas. It needs gas. Alrighty, car's out of gas, so we're gonna fill her up real quick. Got the first map on there, running pretty tits. AFRs are nice.
That's cab.
Cap?
It's cab.
It's not.
running nice.
They were okay.
They were alright.
Bro, you
Yeah,
missed
right.
look at that.
Yeah. That's
$10
right there.
Damn.
That's 50
Oh,
right
the
there.
dribbling.
Why is it dribbling?
Chill out. What happened?
Intercooler pipe popped up.
Alright. We have hopefully fixed all of the leaks. Hopefully no more piping blows off. Cross your fingers.
Pretty sure I have both.
Yeah, we just need to look up the car.
Yeah, and then I'll just drive it down there. We'll get it tuned, and then I'll give it to the
Gosh, she gets down. Phew. Goddamn. So B-Rod joins the party. We've got another Evo here. Of course we have to, since the man is here, Wali's here. Yo. Oh man. Yeah, pull up, pull up. Heck yeah, dude. Whew. Choppy. Sounds gnarly. Yo guys, big shout out to Wali here for helping me figure out a little bit of the stuff I need to do to this car to make it peak.
You want to show them what I showed you on here?
Yeah, a little bit of knock up on the top end there.
Right there. The power was pretty close.
Yeah.
On the virtual
To the
387.
dyno sheet that we were looking at. You guys saw that on the couple other videos. So yeah, we're looking pretty similar there.
The only thing is it starts dropping power after 65-ish.
Yeah.
And that shows right here. It starts falling off. But, you know, a couple little tweaks, maybe some bigger injectors.
Yeah, we might be visiting this man again soon here down where he is, down in Portland area. So yeah, that'll be sweet. Alrighty, B-Rod's car is next here. He's gonna go take a look at it and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, probably schedule the tune after I get some supporting mods done. I might actually upgrade the turbo too to the Arch and RA55, like he suggested. So yeah, just a couple little things that we gotta monitor and fix first. But first things first, I gotta fix the water pump on this thing. And because you guys might have heard it, it does kind of have a shaking kind of sound to it. So yeah, we'll be taking care of that pretty quick here. All right, we're gonna hop in with B-Rod now. One of the cleanest Evos in town here.
I feel like I'm in Japan.
Heck yeah.
I think it's like 20 PSI or something like that.
Yeah. Well, it has a rev limiter too. It shouldn't. Yeah. It's just a rev limiter.
I know.
Otherwise, I'd raise it. I mean, I could raise the limiter for you a little bit. Runs so good. The transmission's buttery smooth too.
Surprisingly,
Feels like it
my old 8 synchros were gone back then.
literally drives